thank you so much for being here. Big round of applause for Oliver Stone.
Yeah. Start with just asking why, Oliver and Joshua, have you decided to put so much of your time and make this documentary?
Getting some of these scientific concepts into a visual form that was simple enough for a young man or a woman to understand. World War II unfortunately screwed up a lot of things because it came at the same time as when they were splitting the atom, but they were using it for the bomb. The bomb has nothing to do with nuclear energy. This is another mythology.
Joshua, and how about you? Just tell us, how did you ended up getting involved?
So I wrote the book with the Swedish co-author, Stefan, and the trouble with the book is that it's rational. And had we stayed on that path, we would have had a decarbonized economy by now.
What does it mean to get to a net zero power system, right? So what we have going on right now is we have a live example of what happens when you start to cut supply of fossil fuels. We're trying to move away, as we all know we need to for the Earth, of a fossil fuel energy system. We're cutting supply, but we haven't done what we need to do to cut demand.
Financial decisions have an arithmetic to it. So if you have the right motivation, you will go for it because profit still is the main basic factor of motivating the decision.
And steel industry actually accounts for just below 10% of global CO2 emissions. But at the same time, if you look at the energy transition, steel is a fantastic material. It's versatile, it's infinitely recyclable. You need steel for the wind farms, for the solar panels, for electrical vehicles, for the low carbon buildings, for the infrastructure and bridges. But then the issue is really that it's currently produced using a lot of coke and coal.
So the question is, what does the quality of life mean for the individual and for the states and even for the politicians and for the municipalities and for the regular person? When urban groups comes to play here, the human focus and well-being is at focus and at play, and all of these elements come to play.